In this video, I'll show you how to build a sales pipeline in Pipedrive. Let's get started. First, sign in to your Pipedrive account and open the Deals page from the left-hand sidebar. Now, click the current pipeline name at the top, then select plus New Pipeline. Next, enter a name for your pipeline and click Create. After that, click Edit Pipeline to add, rename, or remove stages. You can create stages like Lead-in, Qualified, Proposal Sent, Negotiation, and Won, or customize them to match your sales process. Once your pipeline is ready, click Plus Deal to add your first deal. Fill in the deal details, assign an owner, and click Save. You can then drag and drop deals between stages as they move through your pipeline. That's how you build a sales pipeline in Pipedrive. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.